This is the box that made us buy this. Because of that.
Look in there, guys. There's a Gucci box. Right there. What's in here, guys? What's up, guys? Stixx Picks here. We're here at the warehouse with Uncle Chris. We got the pirate back here doing some stuff. Look at him back there. I bought a first pallet too. It's just like a 2-in-1 video. It's not a storage unit. Technically, I didn't buy my first storage unit. It's not a storage unit, Dad.
It's a storage.
It's almost a storage unit, guys. We're almost there. I got a pallet, my first buy as a reseller. Now it's not just me picking the flea market. We got some pallets, or just a single pallet. Look at these couple boxes right. This is mine, not his. That's mine, guys.
But the reality is, basically, this facility is a storage facility. They're a little different. Instead of you driving your stuff, opening the door and put it there, they come to your house, they box it, palletize it, wrap it up, they bring it to a warehouse, and it gets stored. So you technically did buy a storage.
This last flea market video, one of them, we got some nice cards, guys. And this is gonna be my whatnot on Friday, 2 days from now. Actually, tomorrow, I'll be uploading this. So tomorrow, we're gonna have a nice whatnot at 5 o'clock Pacific Standard Time. If you guys like cards, we're gonna have some shoes, jewelry even. Make sure you're there. All right, guys, but one crazy thing, we didn't realize this when we were buying it. I don't think the seller realizes either, but this Marvel Masterpiece set is freaking doubles. Look at it. There's 2 in each, like you can see right there, there's 2 cards in here. There's 2 cards in every single page right there. That's freaking crazy. So like I said, the pirate didn't really record while we were there either. I didn't really want to record because it's just not a facility where we record. We brought it all to the warehouse to record. And I'm going to show you guys what we got. What is this? 7 boxes right here. Let's see what we got. I paid $180. It was $150 plus that 15% tax.
I think I got you a little receipt to even show them so we can...
So we have the proof, guys. Yeah, this is not our stuff. Bam.
And they did tell us to not film, but I will tell you when you see my video drop tomorrow, I filmed.
He's a pirate, guys. He's a freaking pirate.
Yeah. Tell me that's not a freshly, like somebody opened this box up in the middle of the night and then put a tape back on it, right?
A lot of his items you'll see in his video, his boxes had like some like this colored tape and then some like slightly darker colored tape, so you can tell somebody went through it, retaped it, try to be slick about it, but they aren't too slick. All right, so first box, it wasn't really lying. It looks like there's a cool little lamp in here. Nice lamp. I mean, I don't know what I could do with this. Bring it to the flea market.
That is interesting. Is it for photography?
Where's the bottom again? What's that brand on it? I can't read that, never mind.
It looks fancy, huh?
It does look pretty
Designed
fancy. Olay
windboard. I feel like this might be like for trace. I don't have no idea.
I might look it up and see if I can put it on eBay. Guys, we're doing a whatnot tomorrow at 5 o'clock Pacific Standard Time, 8 o'clock Eastern Time on Storage Pirate is the whatnot. I'm not doing on Stixx Picks. I have whatnot, but I haven't really done any shows, so we're doing on his Storage Pirate. The link will be in the description below. You get $15 credit if you want to use that link. $15 free, might as well, right?
And just throw that out there, it has nothing to do with me. It's all my
stuff. It's all me. It's all my stuff.
His show.
It's just me. I just haven't actually done my first show yet. And
I get 70%.
Oh my god. Okay, well this box is pretty cool.
Let's see.
Just display stuff. Nothing really.
This is a weird.
What is this, like for CD stuff? That's for filing. Nothing too good in that box. I didn't know you can do all that.
Ooh, can I dip that?
Whoa. Nike. It's a nice little name brand.
It'll fit you.
That is like my size. I don't really wear stuff like that exactly, but dang, whoa.
Ooh.
Oh,
ooh.
Oh, that's like a kid's looks like. That's a kid's.
That probably fit Uncle Chris.
You're clowning now. You got Joe.
No, he said it's like, I didn't mean it like you were a kid.
I mean, he kind of.
You're like extra medium, right? Chris, look at this one.
Dang, new with tags too.
That's that Garoppolo. Chris would dibs that if it fit him.
Got a nice little Nike hoodie. Nice little Nike hoodie.
I'm sad none of this is my size because this is my brand.
Pretty small. Yeah, pretty small shirt as well. This will be in the show tomorrow though. If your kids are interested in some clothing like this, oh whoa! I don't know if your kids are interested in this clothing. Oh.
Michael, next thing you gotta do is find something that goes in that, huh, Chris? Look, my eyes going.
Stella McCartney.
That's an expensive brand.
I would say that kind of sounds fancy. This corset. Is that what it's called?
That looks small.
Yeah, that is. I don't know.
Is she like an extra small?
I don't know who's fitting in that.
Made in Italy. That's the eBay item.
Cut jeans. Little skirt actually.
Let's go.
Yeah, now that I went through it more, I can safely say nothing fancy in that box. See how you try to take. See that, Uncle? Yeah. Whoa!
Oh!
Oh my God, guys! This is the one thing I saw through that made me like, Whoa, guys, I could see. I just saw Lego. I didn't see the whole thing. I was like, oh my God, Legos are expensive though. And it feels pretty heavy. Let's open it. And I mean,
Nice.
it surely looks to all be in here. How much is it worth?
Dang it. Well, that's the brand new price, and that's asking, but let's just see. You want to know what the brand new asking price was?
Probably like
$5.
Oh my God.
But they're selling for 200. 150 pre-owned is not bad.
Yeah, I'll put mine up for 150 since the bags are open. So I'll probably end up putting it up for 150. Or if I do it on the whatnot, you know what's gonna start at, guys? $1 probably.
Gangster.
We'll decide. I'm not exactly sure if I'm gonna do it there.
You can save these pots and pans for your own place. Let's go.
I don't know about all that, guys. All clad. Are those nice brands? Doesn't seem like it though.
I think they're not bad, but I mean they're $5 a piece at the flea market.
Yep.
Oh, let's go new pans. We got some chopstickies.
What's going on here?
Oh, that's an expensive knife, Michael. Look that up. Oh, woo! Those could be good.
Dang.
No, I would look those up. I got a little side there, but knives could run you in the hundreds.
These are fancy boxes.
But look at if they're made in Japan. Japan makes really good
made
blades.
in Japan. They are.
Mac.
Staub. This thing's pretty heavy. Oh, wow. Yeah, this thing is heavy. Wow, what the heck? This thing is heavy. It's like a little set right here. Bigger pot, smaller pot. These things got some weight.
No, yeah. Look at that. Brand new, that one pan. Which there's two in there actually, but one is $224 brand new. Really destroyed, so it kind of makes it scarier to gamble.
Oh,
Wow. You're gonna hit the mother load on these pans.
All clad, okay? This is all it comes in. There's just one pan like this. Not pan, but whatever that is, it's not pan.
You know what that'd be good for though? That's a perfect pancake maker. Mike, we're gonna have to diz that one, I think.
Saint Laurent, isn't that a good one? Saint Laurent Paris.
Yeah, it is. What's the size on them?
Size 35, and it says M, so maybe. Ooh, brand new racket. Okay, this feels super light. I was gonna say, this might be money, but feeling how light this is, there's no way. It's just like, I want to feel light that is.
Yeah, well, just so you know, in the world of tennis rackets, the lighter the better. Yeah, oh yeah. Oh. You want to scan it again? Let's do it. Let's get this.
Guys, I'm learning stuff every day, all right? I'm learning stuff every day. I just thought this was just very bad quality because how light it was, but maybe I'm just being freaking wrong. Yeah. Titanium tennis, that sounds just fancy.
It's not showing up. I bet you that's a $50 racket.
That's pretty fancy to me. Ooh, a little board, whoa. What the heck?
Bro, what if that's like a vape board or something?
This is a Dragon Ball board.
Okay, well, we can go there too. It's gonna be Hello Kitty. No, My Little Pony, even better.
Hey,
oh!
Dibs! I mean, honestly, I've seen a video about this recently. These actually sell some good money. This is a brand new chair. Dibs in this. Chair.
I bet you it is.
There's a tent. Hey, a tent as well. Life.
A yoga rug.
What the heck? No. Oh, it is.
Ooh, I'm good. Look at me.
You're so smart. Oh my gosh.
But I bet you what?
That's
I
money.
bet you that's still $30 on
there's
eBay.
Tags on this bag too. Like heck yeah, it's worth some money.
This is the box that made us buy this.
Yeah. Pretty sure. Ooh. What's there? Goodness.
Oh, that's a Vincent Van Gogh. Man, that would have been money. Damn.
Look in there, guys. There's a Gucci box, but unfortunately, it's freaking empty. I'm pretty sure the box might honestly go for some stuff on eBay. I really wouldn't be surprised if I could just sell this Gucci box for like 10 or 20 bucks just cause like it's a Gucci box, right? Prada. We got freaking robbed, guys. I might do these on the whatnot tomorrow. You guys, some nice little candles. These are like nice candles too. These will probably definitely be on the whatnot. He's got the nice boxes and everything. For surely, check out the whatnot tomorrow again. 5 o'clock Pacific Standard Time. Will be 8 o'clock Eastern Time. And Nike. Oh, that feels too light to be anything in here. Oh, whoa, wait, never mind. What? These are going on the show tomorrow, guys. What size are these? Nice little 3.5Y. You got a little kid that likes these shoes. These are gonna be starting at $1 tomorrow. There's a receipt in here, it looks like. How much do they pay for these? $97 for these in 2015. God Yeah. Listen here, guys. These look a little bit smaller. If they're a size 10, you know, how many dibs in these? Whoa, whoo. Holy crap. These look pretty clean, too.
Pretty nice.
Especially for a little kid wearing these. This really don't look too worn. The bottom, you can tell, obviously, some dirt. They wore it a couple times. 3.5Y, ooh, 4Y. Looks like they grew up a little bit. Oh. Come on. Size 4Y. Woo. Little stains right there. Not too hard to get off these shoes, I bet. You can probably clean that off very easily. Size, make sure it's 4Y. Yep, it is 4Y. $1 starting bid tomorrow. It's a Prada bear.
Whoa.
Whoa.
What a dipset.
Whoa, it's soft. Look at that. That's like quality.
It's not Prada.
Oh, okay.
She tricked us.
Last but not least, pretty much in this box is this.
Oh, is there something in there?
I mean,
Come on.
bum bum.
Damn.
Ooh. Sorel?
It's that caribou. I got some caribou at the house.
They got some, they're worn of course, but they're still great condition. Ooh, in the box and everything.
You don't show Jess those.
Jess,
She's probably gonna want them.
check the show out tomorrow.
Last and final box, guys.
Put away all these extra little Gucci empty boxes.
Okay.
And this one,
You didn't watch that movie?
I never watched
Oh
it.
my gosh.
This is on, I bet this is expensive. I know art stuff is expensive. It doesn't look like they're missing anything either.
You know your sisters are gonna want that. Are those pasta pans?
I don't know. What are they?
How do you open one up? I think they're.
Yeah, these look expensive. I know art supplies are expensive. This is like a whole freaking...
This is a really good drawing thing for somebody who likes to draw.
That was a very cool buy though. Very cool for my first buy. And you guys, like I said a couple of times throughout the video, we're doing a show tomorrow, Friday, 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, 8 p.m. Eastern Time. Make sure you're there if you're interested in some cards. Everything I just shown will, a lot of things will
Pretty much most of it. Let's just talk about, let's do like a quick recap. What you got? A minimum, let's just say realistically, you should got 100 for your Lego, right? Let's say you got 100.
Yeah.
You got probably, those two Nikes look like they're $100 a pair.
That would be cool. But we're starting at $1 tomorrow and whatnot, so we have no idea what you guys are gonna go for. Some Saint Laurent freaking boots.
Oddly enough, I think you can almost triple your money on this.
They're pretty cool, guys. I spent 180 on it, so if we can triple my money, they'd be pretty nice. Holy freaking smokes. So we're going through some of these cards, right? We were just gonna put them all up, but I had to make sure at the end, because at the end there were some hollow cards, so I just wanted to look at them to make sure, and thankfully I did. I almost just put this binder up without looking at them at all. Thankfully I went to the back, and these two hollows, like, these are like holographics. They say 1 of 2 and 2 and 2 of the back, you know what I mean? So they gotta be crazy, right? I looked them up. They're $1,400 together on eBay.
I get one, right?
We have this. We have one. We have several. For like, look at this one has 4 cards in it. This one has several. It's just these two only have one. So we're gonna put one full set on eBay. I think I saw $400 for a set, and we're putting the rest of them on Whatnot for $1 starting bid, guys. $1 is starting at, literally. And it's just barely missing the set by 1 or 2 cards, but there will be like 4 of one card, 3 of the other, but it'll be missing 2 of the cards out of that set. A bunch of these Marvel Masterpiece cards, some Disney cards. We have some Batman cards, Star Trek. I think it's like Princess Guinevere. We got a candle lot right here, nice brand new candles. Some Nikes, shoes I was showing you. We're doing that Legos on there just because why not? $1 starting bid. Holy crap. Just try it out, right? Might as well. Got a nice little Saint Laurent, like flannel type thing, Saint Laurent boots, some clothing. And I'm gonna be bringing some rings in tomorrow to put them in. We got some silver rings. I think we have a couple HGE rings we'll put together. Might as well. And yeah, these cards I bought, me and my uncle, we went 50-50 on them. Let me give you guys a little recap of all the expensive stuff from here.
Yeah, $17.50.
So this literally $100 for this Lifeform yoga mat, like $120 I saw. I'm gonna put put these 2 knives up for $100. They're Mac knives. If you know, you know. This tennis racket's literally $150 to $200, like freaking crazy. And this skateboard, he saw one that was very similar, if not this one, for $250. Literally.
That had trucks and wheels, so.
Oh, okay. So the board itself, I can maybe get 100 for, right? This thing is freaking like $50 to $100. This IKEA lamp, like random sales, $50 to $100 on eBay. Staub, there's 2 pots in there. saw like $250 brand new on eBay. So if those aren't brand new, I put them up for $100. That seems super reasonable, right? All right, guys, thank you for watching. If you guys made it this far, it means you watched the whole video. Thank you so freaking much for watching the whole video. Put a heart in the comments if you made it this far. I really do appreciate you. Like I said a bunch of times, if you guys want to see all these items I showed throughout the video, we are going live tomorrow on Whatnot to do a live auction. Not him, but me. This is my live. It'll be on Storage Pirate. It'll be on his Whatnot, but live at 5 o'clock Pacific Standard Time tomorrow. We're going to be doing a bunch of Marvel Masterpiece 1995 cards, all the stuff from the pallets, some 1995 Disney cards, just a bunch of nice cards and some shoes. Whatever you guys saw throughout the video, pretty much be there. Peace out.